I find it super interesting in today's society that entrepreneurship is now cool. With the social media, internet, digital marketing, I think it causes people to be a little delusional. I come across so many creatives and young people just thinking that because they can pick up a camera or they can create an Instagram following or they just watch some YouTube videos and something about branding that, hey, they can be the next big thing, or they can start a digital agency or a company and different things. But the truth is, a lot of these people don't have experience. If a young person can understand the realities of being an entrepreneur, if they're made for it, they're born with it, then yes, go do it, go after it. What's scary is a lot of people are delusional, and what's gonna happen is they're gonna fail because they have this misconception that, hey, I don't have to put in the work, I don't have to sacrifice, it's gonna come easy. We've been lied to that. I'm gonna build these gigantic companies like Gary Vaynerchuk or Ty Lopez and become the next guru out there. Or, hey, I can pick up a camera because I do some cool transitions that I'm gonna be a videographer. But at the same time, those guys put in the work. Steven Spielberg put in the work. You don't just create videos and the next day you're gonna make thousands and millions of dollars. It takes experience, it takes failing, it takes just going through the storm. Young people today who wants to jump into entrepreneurship and dive in, instead of trying right away to start a business, get some experience on your belt. We live in this facade, in this delusional world, this fake world that, hey, because I have a lot of likes or engagement or followers, or we're sold that we're influencers. It's a lot like this. So I love playing basketball. And on Monday nights, I play with a bunch of men at this church. Some of them are older and I one-up them a little. I'm just a little younger than they are, so I have that speed. It's my 3 hours of fame that I get to live a little bit. I just get to dominate. And I feel really good. But does that make me a good basketball player and ready for the NBA? Am I gonna be the next Michael Jordan or LeBron James? The truth is no, because I'm like 5'5". My parents are short. I'm fast, but not fast enough. It's a delusion in my head on Monday nights because I'm just killing it. I'm shooting threes, I'm driving. That doesn't make me an NBA All-Star player, and that doesn't make me have the ability to make a living playing basketball. I think a lot of entrepreneurs today, just because they get a huge following on social media, they have the wrong perception, and they can get delusional thinking that they're the next Gary Vaynerchuk or Ty Lopez or a social media influencer that can actually produce income.